Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to make text taller in Canva. So here I am in my Canva account. So for example, I will create a blank presentation right here, and then it will open in a new tab. So there are a bunch of ways that you can make your text taller. If you want to use an application, a popular application for doing this is Typecraft. So previously it was a free application that you can use, but now if you want to use this, you need to have a Canva Pro account. Since I'm not using a Canva Pro account, I cannot use this feature right now. But if you have the Canva Pro, go ahead and try this application out. But if you are using the Canva free account, we can do it in different ways. So for example, I'll add a text right here. One way that you can do it is that you can just make your text bigger right here. And then if you have a different line of text right here, you can go ahead and change the advanced settings right here. You can change the letter spacing, and then you can also change the line spacing right here. But it will only just change the spacing of your text. If you truly want to make your text appear taller, we can do it like this. So for example, I'll add a text again, and then I'll just say test. Then I will make this text bigger. And then what we can do is that we can download this as a PNG. Click on download. And then what we're going to do is that we're going to upload this image right here. And then we can delete this text. And then we can use this image right here. And then what we can do is that we can edit this. Click on edit. It should appear right here. And then what we need to do is that we need to crop our text. We can click on adjust. And then if it isn't here, we can just edit the text right here. So make sure we are using the image, and then we need to find the crop, which is this one. And then make sure that you are using freeform, and then we'll go ahead and change our size of our text. What we can do is that we can press the shift key on our keyboard, and then we can go ahead and change the look of our image right here so that we can make it appear taller. Just go ahead and change the look of your image so that it will appear as a taller text, and then now we have a taller text right here. Another way that we can do it is that we can use frames. So let's go to elements, click on frame, and then from here you just need to type in the letters that you want to use. So for example, I will type free. So I'll type F right here, and then the letter R, and then the letter E. So I'll just add it right here. Then for example, I'll change the color of the background, and then we can use an image to adjust the color of our text right here. Another way is that we can also choose color right here, and then we can just change the color of our text manually. So for example, like that, and then like this. And then we can just go ahead and drag the elements right here of our square so that we can change the size of our text. So you can drag this like oblong looking object right here so that we can adjust and stretch our text so that we can make it taller, and then we can also make it wider. And then that is it. That is how we can make our text taller here in Canva. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.